Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable window animations while minimizing or maximizing windows on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Click on open it. Select the advanced tab and under the performance select settings. In here the second option, animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, uncheck it and select apply. Click on OK. And now if you minimize your window or maximize your window, the animation will not show guys. It should not provide any shot of animation. Just minimizing that will be gone like a second. And if you want to enable it back, just go to settings right here and you just want to check mark it and select apply and OK. Now the animation will be back guys. Now the minimizing animation is back, also maximizing animation also back. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.